Hello everyone. Uh, Welcome to my channel Automation Intelligence. So in this particular video we are going to see how to install Java and set up the environment variables. So without wasting any time, let us get started with the Java installation. So let us get started with the Java installation. So before we move on to download Java, let me show you one thing. So if I go to the command prompt and just type this command Java space hyphen version. You see, Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. Why? Because it is not installed in this particular system. So let us quickly install Java. So what we are going to do, we will type Java JDK download, and we can choose this link because we'll be downloading Java 8 here. Scroll down a little bit and then you will be able to see for Windows 64-bit. This is the installer. Click on this blue link, check the box, download JDK. So our download is getting started. So at times it might ask you to log in. So if you do not have an account, you can click on this button and create your account with your email ID and details. I already have an account with Oracle, so I will just log in with that. Click on the sign in button. You see, I was able to successfully sign in and my JDK installation is currently in progress. So maybe it might take another 15 to 20 seconds for the installation to get complete. And uh, apart from the installation, we are also going to do the environment setup as well, because in your system, whatever program you run, that particular program will not know where your Java is landing in your machine. So for that particular reason, we will have to set up the environment as well. So we are going to see that also. So our installation is complete. Go to the downloads folder. You see, this is the application. You can double click the jar to begin with the installation. Click on yes. Click on next. So it is development tools is by default, it is selected. So no need to change anything here. Click on the next button. So it will go ahead and install your JDK 1.8 in your system. So once the installation will be completed, it will by default come into your program files. So we need to go to see program files to see your installation. We are almost there. You see, install to C program files Java. This comes by default. Click on the next button and it is installing Java in your system. close. So Java is installed in our system. So what we are going to do, we will go to C program files. So let us go to C. Let me maximize program files, Java. So inside Java, you see you have your both JDK and JRE installed here. So now what we are going to do, we are going to set up the environment variables. So you see this PC here in your system, just right click on it, then click on the properties. You will see an option like advanced system settings. Click on that. Then you need to click on the environment variables button. So now you see there are two things, user variables and system variables. So please remember you do not need to change anything here. Come to the system variables section, click on new. So what we are going to do, we will have to add one variable here with name java underscore home, and here we need to give the path of your JDK. So if I go back to my system, uh, this is this is my root directory for JDK. So I will copy this. I'll come back to my control panel and I'll paste it here. Click on OK. First thing. Now the second thing, if you scroll down a bit, you will already find a variable named as path in your system. So you just need to click it and then click on the edit button. Do not click on the new one since path is already existing here. Click on the edit button and here you can click on the new. So what we are going to do, you see a bin folder inside your JDK folder. Go inside the bin folder and copy the path. Copy the path till the bin directory, come back to your control panel, click on the new button and you paste the path till the bin directory. Click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. That's it. Java is successfully installed in our system. Now, just to check for it, earlier it was giving like Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. Now, let me type the same command java space hyphen version. Click on enter. Oops. Okay. Let us close the old command prompt. Sometimes it might happen. Let us open a new command prompt and 1 minute. Okay, this is open. Let us close this also. Let us close this also. Now let us go to the command prompt and type the command java hyphen version. You see Java version 1.8.0. It means Java is successfully installed in your system. Thank you for watching this video. In the upcoming videos, I am going to begin with the basic tutorials with Java. So we are going to install in Eclipse and begin with our first Java program. And slowly and steadily, we will move to Selenium. Thank you so much for watching. So I hope you all have enjoyed and learned how to install Java in your system. If you are liking my work, do subscribe and do not forget to give your valuable comments so that I can improve my upcoming videos. So in the coming videos, I'll be continuing this work. Thank you.